I just wanted to come and show you how to install a closure wig because I'm getting ready to go to work, and I was like, okay, what better time, you know? What better time? My wig looks, I feel like it looks brazy right now. So real quick before I get into like everything, I need to tell y'all the details. This is Annabelle's hair off AliExpress. Y'all. This is 1.5 bundles. Now, all right, I'm gonna show y'all the back. Let me get the comb out, whatever. You know it's the truth when you comb my hair with a rat tail comb. Oh, this is the shedding. It's nothing crazy. This is, trust me, this is nothing crazy compared to other things that I have, but I'm gonna get into that later. This is 1.5 bundles, and then this is a frontal that I cut into a closure. I don't know if it's 4x4 or whatever. I don't know how to, like, I don't know. But yeah, y'all, the truth. It's the truth. But this hair is the truth. I could vouch for that. This hair is the truth. But I'm just getting to, I'm gonna show you all the products that I'm using before I get like all the way into it or whatever. So I have a hot comb. I got a wax stick. I'm not, you know, this is my first time actually using this wax stick, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't like what's the tea? I'm using the Got to Be Free spray to glue down my wig because it's just a closure wig, and like I be getting hot and I want to take my wig off. Bio silk to like just to protect it, and then I got a clip to cut my hair back, and I got a rat tail comb. And yeah. Oh, and then I also use a spoolie to do my edges or whatever. But I'm gonna just show you what I'm looking like underneath this wig, please. Oh geez. Oh, it's not that. Okay. So I got some braids, whatever. Stay serious. This is a very old stocking cap. I just put this on to protect myself or whatever. I'm gonna clean my forehead area with some alcohol. I have 70% right now, no biggie. So I'm just cleaning it off, nothing major. But you know, look at this. Oh wow, I'm embarrassed. I'm not. Yeah, I'm about to clean off my scalp, this area that I'm gonna, cause I don't really stick my wig all the way back in. Cause here's the thing, like I got this little peak thing, but I'm not tripping off of that. It's whatever. Okay, so we clean that off. Oh yes, I know what else I want to do. Clean that off. I'm gonna pull my cap. So I just did that, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I do not use the blow dryer to blow dry the Got to Be Free spray tacky. I don't do that. I don't do that because I feel like it's mad work to have to take that out just to blow dry for 10 seconds. And no, I'm not doing all that. So just gonna spray it. Actually, what I'm gonna do is see where my wig is. Let's put it back on. Y'all, what? One bundle? My face. Please get out of my face. I made this wig myself. I made it in like a day. It took me a day. It's not that serious. And I think I might have to cut off some lace, to be honest, because I feel like this is mad lace for no reason. So what I'm gonna do is just glue it down. Whatever don't stick is getting cut off, and that's just that. Don't overthink it. It is what it is. Just want to see something real quick. And then I put curls in it. Who told me to do that? I don't know. But I was feeling spontaneous, so. Trust me, this is not even, I do not leave my wigs on to sleep because I be getting too aggy. Right, boom. And that's one thing about this is fake messy. Oh Jesus, all on my forehead. It's fine, I'm cleaning it up. Literally, I feel like people overthink stuff like this. Like frontals is really high maintenance. It's really high maintenance. But besides that, besides me doing all this talking, let's get into the facts of this hair. Let's get into the facts of this hair, y'all. It's the truth. Y'all, It's the truth. This hair's the truth. I vouch for it. I spent my own money on it. I had a 20, 22, 24 inch, 3 bundles, 20. But you know how when you do your hair, hairstylists be keeping the remaining of your bundles. So I can get the rest of my third bundle back. But 20, 22, 24. And then I had an 18 inch frontal. Y'all, I paid $170 for it. You know, that's using coupon codes, etc. Annabelle. This is Brazilian straight. Maybe Brazilian straight. I'll have everything linked in the description bar below. But this hair is the truth. It sheds, yes, but hair sheds, and that's just facts. Hair sheds. One thing that I learned was that when we say HD lace or whatever, transparent lace or whatever, it comes as a different tint, and obviously I'm darker. So when I got it, I asked my hairstylist, I'm like, yo, bro, like, what's the facts? Like, why is it so light? Is this the right one? She was like, yes, it is the right one, because when Chinese people send the lace to us, they're sending it based off of them. They're not sending it based off of us, if you could catch my drift. So that was that. The lace was really good, though. It didn't shed. It took to whatever well. I didn't bleach it because I didn't have plans on bleaching his hair. I might, I don't know. But I just wanted this to be my go-to wig, you feel me? Like, the wig that you just go to, like, whatever. Or when you want to run outside real quick and throw on something. That's my go-to wig. Does it shed minimally? Yes. But shipping was not crazy, none of that. But the real, like, if you really want me to get into detail about this, I will. But yeah, this hair is the truth. Like, I vouch for this. I'm a broke college student. I don't have money to be spending on hair every 5 seconds. This hair is the truth. Okay? Cool. I vouch for it. So as you can see, like, you see that? That means it's time. So what I'm gonna do is put my wig on. Right? I'm gonna clip this back real quick. And then I'm going to see, I'm looking at the mirror too, don't worry. Just put it right there. Take a comb and just do like this. Feel me? Not that serious ever. It was never that serious. What I'm gonna do, I feel like all this lace has to be cut off though, so I'm gonna do that off camera because I can't with this. I'm going to hold this down, my comb, and just spray the top. Just spray the top, get in there. I'm gonna take a clip. Oh, I just took my clip. I don't know where any of my clips are. Put that in there, you know. You don't gotta do too much at all ever. It's just a closure wig. But the reason why it looks like this is because it was a frontal. So keep that in mind. I did cut it. And I y'all, if I could talk, I would. But I can't. So that's that. And then you do the same thing. Let it dry. Just let it dry. Whatever. I'm trying to get all these baby hairs out the way because I don't want. And then what else happened? Nothing really happened, y'all. I had this hair for my birthday, which, okay, I ordered this hair for my birthday, which was September 8th. It's now November. I had it in from September 5th to about September 5th to like maybe October 1st. Maybe like, that's how many weeks is that? Like 2-3 weeks. I had a sewing though. It was, yo, this hair was really fire. It did what I needed it to do. Like, for real. So I'm just taking my comb and just, you know, pressing shorty in. Nothing crazy. You never have to do too much ever. Not for no closure wig. And I just need people to understand that, like, you don't even have to do this. The only reason why I'm doing this is because I have excess lace on it, and I need my excess lace to stick before anything else, you know, before I cut or whatever. But if you have a wig that you're making that is originally a closure, you should never have to do this much ever. Just put it on and go. And you can use your, if you into edges and stuff like that, use whatever you're using to lay your edges down as an adhesive so you don't ever have to do too much. For me, like, what, sweetie? So what I'm gonna do is right now is I'm gonna put a scarf on to tie it down so I really know what the facts are before I just go in and cut. So I'll be right back.
Call, babe, day.
Alright, y'all, so I'm back. I heard that my voice just went out crazy. I'm back. So now I wanted to say something. Like, everybody, we've all been convinced that we have to, in order to have a good looking wig, you have to have 3 bundles in a closure or 2 bundles in a frontal. Don't get me wrong, this is my first time dealing with hair that with less than 3 bundles in it, and it's giving me natural density, like not heavy on it, because the heavier it is, to me, now that I'm looking at it, the more wiggish it looks. Feel me? So I just want y'all to know, like, if you don't got money like that, or you don't got money to be spending like that, bro, don't be killing yourself trying to keep up. It's never that serious. All right, so this is what it's looking like. This is what my clothes are looking like. But all that extra stuff is about to get cut off. At this point is when I really began to struggle with my baby hairs, and I didn't want to let y'all sit through that, so I'm going to just skip to the part when I really understood how to do them. Okay, so after I initially cut it, I'm going to go in and cut it again. And I'm also using a spoolie and Gorilla Snot to lay my baby hairs. I'm going to give you guys a little bit of insight as to how bad I was struggling. Like, I need y'all to know that just because you don't know how to do something off rip does not mean that you're failing or this, that, and the third. Like, you got to start from somewhere and you got to pick it up. Like, don't be stressed out about no edges, bro. It's cool. We're going to keep going. I'm going to keep going. I don't know about you, but I'm going to keep going.
Word. Call, babe. Say my name. No one is around you. Say, baby, I love you. You ain't running game. Say my name.
So right here is where I started to get a little bit hopeful, because right here it was giving me very much Erica J, very much Arrogant Tay. Like, it was giving me what I wanted, like the thinness, the swoop. Like, that was what it was giving me, and I really liked that. So that's why I just wanted to keep telling y'all, like, keep going. Like, it's just baby hairs, bro. Use some water, wipe it off, and do it again. Just keep going. Alright, so I just took my scarf off, and I'm about to comb my hair out, detangle it a little piece before I start like putting a hot comb. Alright guys, so what you watching me do right now is just, I took the MC7 wax stick and I just waxed down the top to flatten it or whatever, and then I went over it with a hot comb a couple times, and then after that, off camera, I just put my hair in a half up, half down, and I was good to go. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
You ain't running.